Oh my god. Oh my god, no, fuck it. Oh, I'm not even gonna fucking do it. Jesus Christ.
I'm going to rape you!
Real fucking nail biter.
Got a sniper!
Got a sniper. Fuck you. Ooh! Fucking ruined! He's just rushing there with a knife. Oh my dear Christ. Nah. I'm not playing this shit.
I need help.
Son of a bitch. No, I'm getting out of here this round. Fuck you guys, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go play. You'll never fucking find me. No matter how loud I fart, you won't find me. Shit! Oh my god. Get up here. No, I can't. They imply it, but you can't actually do it. Shit. Oh, shit. Don't you fall. Help! Stupid shit. Oh my god. This is what sadness is. Holy shit. Where's the last guy? What the fuck happened? Oh shit. Oh, thank God. Fuck! Oh my god, you're serious? It's all over now. You can't hit me. Can't hit me, Craig. Oh.
Stay sharp. Still one left.
I know where he is. He's gotta be down there. Oh my god! Are you kidding? Don't defuse that. Oh, somebody found someone.
Grenade!
Haha. See ya. Fuck. God ass shit. Whatever. I don't give a shit.
3 men left. We lost the ball.
That's not.
I'm going to rape you!
Son of a bitch.
Down to 2.
Shit!
Grenade!
I'm fucking dead. Son of a bitch.
I'm going to rape you!
They're never gonna get my Lucky Charms. They're never gonna find my Lucky Charms. Oh, I hear that shit. It's okay, they'll never find it. Son of a bitch. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late.
Fucking piece of shit!
What is happening?
They'll never find me here. I can finally have some delicious Cocoa Puff cereal. Go ahead. Make my fucking day. Prick. No, do not keep me from it.
Terrorists win.
Fuck you!
I'm going to rape.
Yeah, you're out of fucking time, dude.
Fuck you.
Oh, that's fine. You're done. It's over. It's too late. You can't do it in time, dude. You're fucking going down. Get out of here. Damn it. I'll see you white fucks in hell. Fuck you, man.
Need backup. Terrorists win.
Natives are subdued. This is the new age.
Take this.
I'll see you in hell. This is Sniper Elite V2, and I'm gonna bring the pain.
Yo, I need help here.
What the fuck?
Yo, Berlin, I need help here.
You don't need my help, dude. You're fine.
I'm planting the bomb.
Yeah, you sit down.
Terrorists win.
Ooh, nice. Watch out, nigga. Flash. Don't get flash, nigga. Ooh, you're getting shot. Ooh, ooh.
Only one guy left.
Yup. I'm gonna hit him with my knife bone. Actually, I shouldn't do that shit. Nope. See ya.
Throwing grenade.
Yeah, have fun with that.
We got them all.
Where did he put it? Oh. No!
Hold yourself together.
I'll show you.
Take this. Yeah. Take
I'll
this.
fucking show you. Dick. Ha ha ha.
3 to go.
Yeah, whatever. You're fucking dead, dude.
Fucking piece of shit.
Oh crap.
No!
Defusing.
Fuck you. Oh god, I'm in trouble.
Fuck you.
What the fuck?
I'm defusing the
No,
bomb.
it's too late. No, shit. No, 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 no. No! Oh, fuck! See you in hell, motherfucker. My brother. Today we die for Allah. No, I won't. Brother! I won't let him take you.
Terrorists win.
Fucking American pig rat shits.
We
Poop
have destroyed
shits.
them.
Fucking poop asses. Stupid Americans. Stupid fuck your freedom ass.
We are going to
Stupid
win.
fuck.